Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain RC, guys. Getting ready to take up the Flightline Focke-Wulf 1.3 meter, guys. But we got the 3-bladed prop on it. I'm gonna be doing, see if it do a little bit more better aerobatics with the 3-bladed prop on it. It actually will. I actually flew it this morning with it. Man, you talk about some killer knife edge spins and stuff. It is way more aerobatic with it. But anyway, guys, let's get her up and show you what this thing is, man. It's killer. Got my AMA back, so we're back out here at the flying field. Pretty speedy too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got some clouds to go back behind us. Oh yeah. Let's get set up for it, guys. I was trying to get it in the clouds where we can see a little better. Look at that, guys. Awesome. Oh, that's sweet, guys. We're going to do us a speed pass. Show you what kind of speed we got with the 3-bladed prop. It's pretty speedy. It ain't as fast with a 2-blade, but it'll roll. Snap it. Oh yeah, right in the clouds. Nice. Awesome. Woo, about lost it. I was thinking about this airplane, boy. You will lose it. Them little bitty wings that ain't got much on the little wings. Don't produce a lot of lift, so. Knife edge. Oh yeah, it does awesome knife edge. Better knife edge with the 3-bladed than with the 2-bladed for sure. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Just another flat spin. Zoom in a little maybe on it. Maybe it'll help. If I get it, I hope I get it. Oh yeah. Awesome, guys. I can't believe it does it that good. Basically hovering. Oh yeah. You wouldn't never believe this thing be out aerobatic, but it is.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, and you gotta be able to get out of it. It'll bite you if you don't. Alright guys, I guess we're gonna bring her in for a landing. Just one more nice little knife edge here. Oh yeah. Nice knife edge. Uh-oh, big, woo, about got in the tree. Big Jim getting ready to take up the big T7A.
No, this is the little T7A.
Yeah. Alright guys, see if we can't butters one in.
I didn't know you were landing.
Alrighty guys, there we have it. Y'all seen what the 3-blade can do, man. It'll rip with it. It does pretty good, no doubt about it, guys. But like always, guys, if you want the plane, there'll be a link in the description. Help support the channel if you buy from the link. Like always, guys, sure do appreciate it. Till we do it again, stay fine and God bless. Bye.